further south in the lagoon. We've just left Uatio Island and we're on our way to Kouare Island, forgive my pronunciation, and I guess it's sort of on the way to Ilot de Pins, so we'll be heading there after that. And yeah, can't wait to see what this next island has to offer. And I'm not sure how many nautical miles.
It's only 10 or so.
It's only like 10 or so. So yeah, we left at like 10 o'clock this morning. Do you want me to fill? Do you want me to slow the boat?
Yeah.
Yeah. What is it? Ah, so funny. That's like the 7th bonito that Yosh has caught and he doesn't like them, so he throws them all back. They just love this lure. It's like a red and silver lure, and yeah, they just love it. Oh, gosh.
Another little island home. We stayed there last night, but we got some nice calm days, so we're gonna head out the reef. Search is real. We've got a light northeasterly, and yeah, we just left our little anchorage. We've got light weather today and tomorrow, so northeast is offshore on a lot of these passes, so we're going to go try to check out a couple of these passes and see if they've got waves. Yeah, it just looks too flat. There's not enough swell, so we've checked these 2 passes. It's just flat. There's not even much white water coming over the reef, so we'll have to wait to get some waves a bit longer. After spending all morning searching for waves, a light southwest wind picked up, so we decided to head back into Ilot Kouare and go diving instead. Dolphins were playing in the distance, so we tended over and Bonita jumped in for a closer look. Was that?
Oh, that was just incredible. That's just once in a lifetime type things. I don't know if that'll ever happen again, but yeah, it's just amazing when animals come and have an experience with you. You know, it doesn't happen very often, so yeah, I'm just so stoked. How many dolphins did we have just then? Like,
never thought we'd have a pod of dolphins hanging on the bow of the La Diva.
It was amazing. Oh, and you can hear them underwater. They were just so beautiful. Yeah, I loved it. Oh, you got 3 guns.
Yeah, cannon's coming today as well. There's like, on this side it's really deep drop off, on the other side goes down to like 30-40 metres, so it should be a big wall. What you got?
Don't know. Oh, trout.
Woohoo!
A kill shot.
Good shot.
He doesn't like me. Snake versus shark. It tasted so good last time, we're doing it again. Cold trout, red curry this time.
So who speared this trout today?
I did.
Yeah, you did.
Who brought home the bacon today?
Oh, it's fish. You start eating bacon, I'll start shooting pigs. Rice is on?
Rice is on.
Just like that?
Just like that. How'd you go?
Saw one. Didn't even get a shot off at him. Spewing. So I came to get some food.
Are you gonna go back out?
Yeah.
You've been out there all morning.
Yeah, well I come back with nothing. I saw one.
Did you shine your spoon?
Yeah, I kicked up sand, I shined my spoon, I just couldn't get him in. I've pulled up, I stuck my head in, looked at the bommy, seen him, and it's like he's seen me and he just kind of stopped and turned and just looks back up at the boat and we're looking at each other. I'm like, you're kidding me. So I quickly chucked the anchor out, grabbed my gun, jumped in, and he darted off, so I just hung on the bommy and enticed him in, but he was just fanging through.
So yeah, it's one of those really dark and gloomy days today, and so we're going to have soup for dinner, and you can't have soup without toast, so I'm baking bread.
Phew!
Snell's ready. Oh.
What?
Well.
Check him out!
Oh, he smells so good.
He smells delicious.
Can't wait.
It actually looks like bread.
Yeah.
Well done.
Thank you. So how was your night last night, Yosh?
I didn't sleep a wink. I slept probably 2 hours. I was just up the whole time. The wind swung just as it went dark and it turned to northeast and put us on a lee to shore where we were at anchor. So
Reef everywhere. So
yeah, we're hanging only just off the reef. I didn't want to move in night time because there's just reef everywhere. So yeah, I didn't sleep much.
But we're out early this morning. We've just left Kouare Island and we're trying to make some ground towards Ilot Pins. It's a 40 nautical mile sail and the winds are blowing from the wrong direction this morning. So yeah, we don't. Hopefully we can make it there before dark.
Yeah, it's about 15, 17 knots. So we've got wind. It's just in the wrong direction at the moment, but
yeah.
we'll keep going. Hopefully it swings around into our favour this afternoon. We're fanging though.
Yeah. This is our breakfast pretty much every day. Okay.
Thank you. Go Gussels. The first tack of many, I think. Because we want to head in the northeast direction and the wind's coming from the northeast, so we have to do lots of tacks, and inside the lagoon here there's lots of reef and islands to dodge, so we've got it where the crow flies, the rum line, and then we're tacking around between reefs and everything between that. So yeah, but we're doing pretty good. We're sailing at a 90 degrees to our last tack, so pretty impressed with Nandji there.
Yeah.
She never used to do that, so I knew head sail dominates.
What a miserable day.
Bit of a Barry Crocker, isn't it?
The tarp out? Catch some water?
Not while we're sailing.
Alright. Oh. It's right there, no? Right there in the face.
In the middle of nowhere again, can't see land. It's a good feeling. We got full sail, we got full Genoa, stay sail, full main. The wind's just been dying. It started out at about 18-20s this morning and it's dropped back to like below 10. We got the motor running, charging the batteries, motor sailing along.
Yeah.
Double jacket, it's cold here. Have to start heading north soon, I think. Need some sun, man. Got jeans and 2 jackets on. It's not right. Rolling.
We got these whales coming up and it looks like a mother and a baby and they are like going directly to where we are going. So we might need to change course. It doesn't look like they're changing course. I think they dove actually.
They're kicking around
there. See, look, they're coming right up. Oh, please don't hit us.
Are you going my way?
They all just came up right there. That was crazy.
Oh,
Whoa.
they're following us.
They're following us. Oh.
Kidding.
The biggest pod of dolphins I've ever seen. Oh my god. Oh, come on over here. Oh. Oh. Oh, they're coming. They're coming. Oh. Oh my goodness. Look at these guys. You're amazing. Oh. 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 Oh my god. Oh my goodness, you guys are so crazy. I can see an island full of pine trees. I think we might be here. How was that rain?
Pretty wet.
What was it like?
Nah, it was fine. It was drenching. I was drenched head to toe. Bet you were too. But yeah, it was fun.
Yeah.
So much going on.
We arrived to Kouare Bay, Ilot de Pins, just before dark after a full day of sailing in the rain. It was time to dry out and explore this fascinating island. another episode of Sailing Nandji. The dolphins on our bow were absolutely amazing, weren't they, Yosh?
Oh, they were crazy. Like, which one, you know? Like, on the bow of the tender. Whoever thought we'd have dolphins hanging off the tender? Like, that was next level. And then the amount of dolphins on our sail across the Ilot de Pins, that was just crazy. They're everywhere. They're off one side and they're off the other side. There's, you know, there's like hundreds out here and there's hundreds behind us doing flips and jumping around. Like, they were just everywhere.
Yeah, they were just so happy as well, weren't they? It was incredible.
Dolphins are king of the froth.
Yeah, they're so happy, hey?
Yeah, that was crazy.
It was amazing.
It was absolutely crazy.
I just want to say thanks to our patrons. As always, we are in the wilderness again, in the middle of nowhere, so we'll be sure to mention all of your names in the next video that comes out. But yeah, thanks crew for jumping on board the Sailing Nandji family.
Thank you very much, legends. So we've mentioned it a few times in previous vids about people helping and contributing towards Nandji getting a wind vane, a self-steering method. So we'll put a link in the description. If you head over to the website, you'll find the links and that on the front page there. So if anyone would like to help contribute, that's where you find it. So thanks very much to all those crew that have. And yeah, we're over halfway at the last count. So yeah, pretty excited to not be standing at that wheel for 6 hours at a time again. It
makes it hard to film and steer as well. Like, trying to capture everything when we're both steering is difficult. So
yeah. I look forward to just kicking back and enjoying it rather than always steering or doing
Staring
something.
At the compass.
Yeah. So thank you very much, everyone.
Yeah, thanks so much, guys. Yeah.
Legends.
Alright, I think that's about it. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, and that's about it.
Yeah.
Okay. Catch you later. Peace.